Let's read together. In the heart of a small town nestled among rolling hills, lived a woman named Amelia. Her life had been shattered by a heinous act of violence that had left her broken both physically and emotionally. As she lay in her hospital bed, her mind battled with anger and despair. But deep within her, there was a flicker of something else, an indomitable spirit that refused to be extinguished. It was during those darkest days that a seed of forgiveness began to take root within Amelia's wounded soul. Instead of seeking vengeance or wallowing in bitterness, she resolved to embark on a journey of healing, not just for herself but for others as well. Throughout her recovery, Amelia immersed herself in books about restorative justice and the power of forgiveness. She attended therapy sessions and support groups, connecting with survivors of similar tragedies. As she listened to their stories, she realized that the path to healing was not solely an individual endeavor but a collective one. With newfound purpose, Amelia dedicated herself to advocating for restorative justice and reconciliation. She reached out to local organizations, sharing her own story of pain and transformation. Her words resonated with the community, inspiring others to find peace and compassion in the face of tragedy. Amelia's efforts did not come without challenges. There were those who doubted the effectiveness of forgiveness and questioned her motives. But her unwavering belief in the transformative power of forgiveness kept her going. She organized workshops, inviting survivors, perpetrators, and community members to engage in dialogue. Through these conversations, she witnessed the walls of hostility crumble and replaced by seeds of understanding. Slowly but surely, the community began to change. Families torn apart by violence found solace and a glimmer of hope through Amelia's work. Restorative justice circles became a regular occurrence, offering a safe space for healing and reconciliation. The town became known not only for its beauty but also for its commitment to restorative justice. Amelia's journey of forgiveness extended beyond the confines of the town. She shared her story at conferences, spreading her message of compassion and forgiveness to a wider audience. People from different walks of life were touched by her words, inspired by her courage, and began to question their own capacity for forgiveness. Years passed, and Amelia's impact continued to grow. She authored a book, The Power of Forgiveness, which became a bestseller. Her story became a beacon of hope for those who found themselves trapped in the depths of anger and despair. She was invited to speak at prestigious events, and her message transcended borders and cultural boundaries. Through it all, Amelia remained humble, aware that her journey was only possible through the support and love of others. She often spoke of the interconnectedness of humanity and the immense potential for compassion that resides within each person. As she aged gracefully, surrounded by love and admiration, Amelia reflected on her journey. The violent crime that had robbed her of so much had also gifted her with a strength she could have never imagined. Through her own healing, she had transformed not only herself but the lives of countless others who had been touched by her story. Amelia's legacy endured long after she departed this world. The town she called home honored her memory by establishing a center for restorative justice and forgiveness in her name. The center became a sanctuary for those seeking healing and a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. And so, the story of Amelia, the woman who embraced forgiveness in the face of tragedy, continues to inspire and touch the hearts of generations to come. Her journey serves as a reminder that even in the darkest of times, forgiveness has the power to heal, restore, and unite. The end. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out my other incredible tales. Goodbye.